Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about how the Citi Prestige card has just been canceled and what this means for Citi for travel credit cards. But before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So on this channel, we do talk about credit cards pretty frequently because those are going to become some of the best values for you to be able to get free vacations and luxury upgrades. But in this video, we're going to talk about how the Citi Prestige card was just canceled. Now, the Citi Prestige card, that was Citi's luxury credit card. It was the credit card that was trying to compete with the American Express Platinum card and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, offering you travel credits, large sign-up bonuses, and other travel perks like TSA pre-check and global entry. I was actually planning on making a video of what the best premier credit card was, and even though I just did a video not even a month ago on Citi's credit cards, I was surprised to find out that this card was canceled. So that's the reason why I'm making this video instead. Now, I was thinking that when I put all the credit cards down on paper, that this card, the Citi Prestige card, was going to probably be the most underperforming card out of the group. Even though the American Express Platinum card was just upgraded with a higher annual fee, and the annual fee on the Chase Sapphire Reserve card was increased as well, I still had a feeling that the Citi Prestige card just wasn't going to offer the same amount of benefits that the other cards offered. Now, the Citi Prestige card, it did have the least amount of benefits. It didn't have as many travel partners to transfer your points for an exchange. So this is why most people felt that if you were going to pay a large annual fee, that this card just didn't make sense. So what does this mean for Citi with their travel cards and for their top tier credit cards? There really isn't much that people know about this. They're not really sure what Citi's planning on doing. Now, there's some people that think that Citi is just going to completely get out of the travel credit card game, shift over more like Bank of America is doing with more reward and cash back type of cards, and not offering as many travel benefits that come with a higher annual fee credit card. But I don't think that that's really the case. I do think that they are planning on completely rebranding. About 5 years ago, they did launch this card, and it was replacing another card that lasted for about 5 years. With everything that's happening right now, with American Express changing the Platinum card and Chase changing the Sapphire cards, I think this is just giving Citi the opportunity to kind of restructure what they want their card to be. One of the reasons why I feel this is they just launched not even a month ago the Chase Custom Cash, and it's listed as a cash card, but in all the materials on the credit card, it actually says that you earn thank you points, which can be converted into 1 cent per point. And then that's the same thing now with the double cash card, that you're able to earn thank you points. So it doesn't make sense to have multiple credit cards that can earn thank you points that's just going to turn into cash. It seems like that's what they want to focus on, is trying to get people to start using thank you points with their type of exchange program. And the other big reason why now you're able to transfer your points to American Airlines, and American Airlines has kind of been that one, they've been the one domestic airline that hasn't allowed credit cards or other groups to be able to trade into their points program. So now that Citi, of all cards, is able to do this, it seems like they would really want to double down on it. Now, I'm not exactly sure when they're going to announce the new card or where it's going to actually fit into the higher end credit cards. Whether it's going to be a $500, $600. American Express right now is $695 for their annual fee on their Platinum card. So they may decide to sit somewhere in the middle between them to really rebrand themselves as a premier luxury travel credit card. That's a quick little update on what's going on with the Citi Prestige credit card, how it's no longer available. But as soon as we do know something else, we'll definitely update you. Comment down below what you think Citi is going to be doing with their travel credit cards. Thank you for watching. Again, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. We post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so don't miss a single video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.